Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying a single objective, brand awareness or direct sales, so the AI optimizes messaging. Once done, inventory assets, logo, 10 images, short clips, and your key product benefits. This speeds generation. Make sure to pick AI services that match needs. Text-to-speech for consistent voice, a video generator that supports 16:9, and an image enhancer for product shots. You'll set tone and length here because the AI follows the brief you supply. You craft a tight 20-40 second script. Hook one core benefit and a clear CTA. This structure guides the visuals. Next, generate voice with TTS, adjusting speed and emotion so speech matches visuals. Test 2-3 takes to pick the right cadence. Then instruct the video AI, provide scene prompts, exact timing for each shot, and brand overlays. This ensures visual continuity. Make sure transitions and captions are specified, so the editor produces a polished sequence automatically. You assemble AI outputs in an editor, aligning the audio waveform to visual cuts and ensuring captions match spoken phrases. Once aligned, export 16:9 MP4H, 264 for web, and create a 1:1 crop for social channels using appropriate bitrate. If timing feels off, rerun the TTS with a slightly slower rate or nudge scene durations by 0.51 seconds. This fixes lip sync or pacing. Finally, preview on target devices to confirm visual clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.